Good morning, students. Now lesson 9, public facilities. This is second video of this lesson. In this video we will discuss the topic water as a part of the fundamental right to life. Right to life is our fundamental right, and according to right to life, basic facilities must be provided by every government to the citizens of the country. And water is basic need of life, so it must be provided by the government to every citizen. It should be in excess of every citizen. According to one estimate, above 1600 persons, and out of those 1600 persons, mostly below 5 years, dies due to diarrhea, dysentery, cholera, etc. These are the diseases which are waterborne diseases, and these diseases are caused due to excess of water which is not provided to the citizens for drinking. So means clean drinking water is not provided. Due to that problem, these diseases occur in India. So is public facilities. Public facilities are the facilities which are our basic needs and which are provided publicly, means provided by the government. Government's motive is to provide basic facilities to every citizen without getting profit. Means public and private, there are two sectors. Public sector means facilities provided by government, and private sector is facilities which are provided by any private company. Motive of public facility is welfare of the people, and motive of private companies is to earn maximum profit. So public facilities is responsibility of the government. Healthcare, sanitation, electricity, transport, schools and colleges, these are basic facilities. And if these are provided by the government provides at cheap rates which are affordable by everyone, and if these facilities are provided by any private company, they earn maximum profit. Benefits are shared by everyone. If any hospital is provided by government, or any school is opened by government, any college is opened by government, then benefit of these institutions are shared by every citizen, and they can get these facilities at cheap rates and can easily afford them. So in next topic, we will discuss government's role in providing basic facilities. It is, as I told you, responsibility of the government to provide basic facilities to the people, and private companies operate for profit only. If they are getting profit, they will open any institution. Like if in rural areas students are less, so government open the school in those areas, but private companies do not open any school in rural area where students are less, because their cost is not fulfilled by those few students. So providing basic facilities is responsibility of government, whether they are getting profit in that area or not. And if private company is providing any basic facility, its cost will be high and will not be payable by everyone. Poor people will not afford those facilities. So government provides these facilities, and in budget every year government shows plans of government to be spent on public facilities every year.